Watch me play a full 9 holes here. It
Dude,
is about 35 degrees when we start. We had about an hour frost delay, so we were waiting for quite a bit. This first hole played really well. We haven't played in 2 weeks. Had a nice birdie there. Chunked this shot. Had a nice follow-up, though. Gave myself an opportunity for a par. Came up way short. Still trying to feel out the greens. Hit some poop there. And tapped in for a double. Hole 3. Crushed the driver. Luckily, came up a little short. Had to play back into the fairway. Shot 3.
Oh, that was bad. That was such a bad.
Right onto the green. Putting for par. Again, just short. Tap in for bogey. Hole number 4. Another par 4. Came up short here. Had the wrong club. Chipped over the bunker. Gave myself a really tough putt here. Put it up close.
Not a bad
It's
putt.
disappointing to go birdie, double, and now another bogey. Here's par 3. I hit it just to the left. Just missed it. Had a nice little chip. Gave myself a chance for an up and down. Went a little far. Missed it.
Wow.
Another bogey. Tap in. Hole number 6. Hit it right down the middle. Just missed the fairway there. But we got lucky. Didn't end up in the water.
Huh?
Chipped it right up there. We're back making pars.
Nice.
Fell right in.
Good.
All right, hole 7. Got a nice approach here.
Nice shot.
About pin high. I thought this hill, I had watched Seth putt, and I thought that hill was going to break
Nice
more,
par.
but we'll take the par. Hole 8. Decent tee shot. Duffed that one. We got a 7-iron approach just to lay up, as this is a par 5. Hit the green here. Gave myself a long putt for par.
Get there.
I was hoping to keep my par streak
Hit it, you
going,
have-
but we got to tap in for bogey. Final hole, par 4. Hit a nice drive. Followed up with a nice approach. Gave myself a good run at birdie.
Oh, wow.
Just missed it. Nice tap in par to finish the round at 41.